And there you've done it. After 2 months of coding, you finally finished your bot. So you go ahead and you turn it on, but after a second, it just tells back off again. And so here you are wondering, what just happened? So you go ahead to your email and you see this message. Wait, what? Alright, I understand your depression. So that's why in this video, we are going to go step by step into creating a server that will run indefinitely for free. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a Python Discord bot, a Node.js Discord bot, how to upload static websites, and how to install WordPress all on today's website. Alright, so here we are on AlwaysData.com. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button that's on the bottom left side of the screen. And after you'll go into this sign up page where you will enter a actual email address and a password. After you've created your profile, you'll have to go to your mailbox to click on that link you have just received to confirm your account creation. Then head over to the admin interface and press the small button, then click on the free option. After that, enter a name that will be your username for the SSH, and finally a password. That password will be the default password for the user you just created. Now let's go and connect to our SSH. Let's go into remote access and after SSH. Once that's done, you can simply click on the web link that's right here. And once that's done, you can simply enter the username and the password you have just made. And there you go. The first part of the tutorial is done. So to make things easier, I'm going to create a directory and we are going to use this Discord bot that's available on GitHub. Link will of course be down below. Let's simply change directory to head into that folder and we go to install the required packages. After we are going to head to Discord developer portal where we're going to create a new application. If you already have a Discord bot that you want to use, you can simply reset the token of that one. But for this video, I'm just going to create a new bot. So once that's done here, we are simply going to the bots and after reset token, copy that token right there. After head back to your server and we are going to do nano config.json. In there, you're going to simply import your token by doing Ctrl-Shift-V. And after you've confirmed, you are going to go to privileges gateway intents on your Discord applications and tick those 3 options. It will be required to simply log the server. Coming back to your server, you can simply start that in a JavaScript server by running node index.js. After, go back to Discord application and head to installation, put the option bot administrations for testing purposes, of course. Depends on what bots you're using, you might need to change the intents, but that's up to you. And after, paste the link into your server and install the bot. As you can see, it's online, it's working. So I'm going to do plus exclamation mark bot help.
Now let's test out the bot to see if it works. So I'm going to do exclamation mark bot help, and as you can see, it sent in my DMs a message, so we can see that it works very well. Now let's check out the exclamation bot's talk command. As you can see, it shows me a message directly, and now if I execute the command itself, it answers. And so now we are going to see how to run this bot 24/7 using AlwaysData as integration. So we're going to connect back to the login as an administrator, and after we're going to head to services and we're going to add a service. For the command, we are going to rewrite the command we have used to execute the program. So in this case, we're going to write node index.js. And the other thing we're going to have to add is the working directory. Simply copy the directory where the code is written. So in this case, it's going to be dbot/simple discord.js bots, and we're going to simply paste it in the working directory input as so. After, we have to do is submit, and once that's done, we can head back to the Discord bot at the Discord server, and you can see that it is on, it is running. And so if we're going to write bot help, we receive a DM, and if we are going to attempt any other commands, it's simply gonna work. So if, for example, I'm going to write bot talk, and as you can see, it just answers. And now for the third part of this video, we are going to install a Python bot on this server. So we are going to use this repository on GitHub. So we're going to simply copy the link to it, and we're going to do git clone with the link. After, we're going to change our directory into it, and we are going to install the requirements necessary to run the server. Once all the requirements are installed, we are going to nano into bots.py, and as you can see, for this case, we are going to need the token right there. So I'm going to reset the token that we had previously, if you followed the first part of the second part of the video. And so we're going to head back into bots.py, and we are going to simply put the token inside. Of course, for my case, I'm just going to do it as so, but you can do as ever you want. Depends on the bot you have. So here we go. I just simply launched the bot using python bot.py. As you can see, we have logged into that Discord bot. So let's just see how it works real quick. So if one user says hi, the bot should respond hello, and it works. Brilliant. So I'm going to do it twice to prove to you that it works pretty well. It's online, and now let's see how to run it 24/7 as before. For that, we are going to copy the directory where the code is written. We're going to add a service, and we're going to write the command that we have executed. So in this case, python bot.py. And after, in the working directory, you're going to simply input the folder where the bot is situated. So here I just proved to you that the command doesn't work anymore. But once I relaunch the code, as you can see, I'm going to re-inputs the word hi, and the bot responds with hello. So this shows that it works in the background, and so it runs indefinitely. So now for the static website, we are going to head into web. We're going to go to the subcategory sites, and as you can see, we have free server AlwaysData. So click on that. After, we are going to go down into configuration, click on PHP and put static files. Once that's done, click submit, and as you can see, if we're going to go onto that link, you can see this page that the website is hosted by AlwaysData. So I just took a random portfolio on GitHub, and so we are going to add that to the website, to the server, sorry, to see that it works. So as you can see, this is what was displayed earlier. I'm going to simply head back to GitHub, so I can copy the index.html, and I'm just going to re-enter the index.html file, and I'm going to delete what was previously added to put the new code. After that, we're going to do the same for the script.js and the style.js. And as you can see, when I head to my page, the entire website is fluid and it functions without any issues. Even now today, if you go back to that website link, you will see that it will still be on because it just runs like that, and that's what's good about this website. So that's for that part. And finally, we are going to do the WordPress, and for the final part, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress. So for that, you're going to head back to that site page, so web subcategory sites. You're going to click on it, you're going to copy URL, and after, you're going to go back to the site and you're going to delete that creation as shown on screen. After, you're going to create a new application. You're going to scroll all until the end of the page to find WordPress, and on the first URL, you're going to paste what you just copied previously. After, you're going to have to enter simple information such as a title, mail, administrator username and password. Do not put whatever, because that will be useful to connect as an admin to your website. And after, don't forget to accept the conditions. So here I had an error. So for that, all you have to do is delete www if you want to keep that directory as your WordPress directory. But if you want to use something else, you can use something else, and you wouldn't have that issue if it wasn't created before. But there you go. Once I've done that, as you can see, I'm forbidden. And after, when I'm going to write the correct URL, you'll see that it's already installed. WordPress is totally up and ready. So I just logged in as a WordPress admin, and as you can see, everything works perfectly. So I'm going to head into the pages and I'm going to modify the sample page, as you can see here, just to show you that all edits are automatic and direct. So this is a sample page that I 100% made, no cap. So I'm going to save that and I'm going to go back to the website right now. And as you can see on the top right, sample page that I 100% made, and when I click on it, you can see that my modification was direct. And there you go, guys, that's the end of the video. If you liked it, please consider giving a huge thumbs up and subscribing. Do not forget to join the Discord that is in the description down below. It always helps out. And I wish you guys a very nice afternoon. I'll see you around. Ciao, bye.